Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and I am here for an unboxing of the new October Not Too Shabby Shop kit. So you definitely have to get involved. You'll love it. It has some cute stuff. And then this time we have two different colorways going on. So it's absolutely fabulous. And it's Christmas. So you know I'm all about the Christmasness. Okay, so in here I got a little package of sequins that's called the Country Kitchen Mix Collection 1. So you can check that out on the shop. It has some ephemera. And so this one is the Gnome colorway. So you've got Gnome, Sweet Gnome. And then here you can see it's a dark one. This also would do well for men's cards as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you this ephemera pack. I love these colors. And I just dropped one. Love these colors. So you've got Gnomies. Gnomey, homie, Gnomey. You got your little gnomes, a little sign, some more little signs. So you see the colors are so rich. And I keep dropping them. So you've got this Jingle All the Way, a star. I love this little scene. Oh, I wish this was a stamp. And then you've got some more gnomes. These little boots are so cute. So I just love the color palette in this one. So I can't wait. I'm definitely going to do a journal page. So then you got your little, oh, what fun bucket list. Some presents. A little bell. And bow. There's another kind of bow. So another little one that says gnomes. What else? Is there anything different on this side? And then some bigger bells. So love that. And then I will show you the paper pad because it's gorgeously fun. So you've got your 6x6. It's double-sided. You get 4 of each one. I don't know what the weight is. It doesn't tell you what the weight is, but it's a good weight, so you can hear that. And look at that. Look at this gorgeous plaid with that glitter effect. So it's not glitter, but it's painted so it looks like glitter. So you've got 4 of this, and then there's that on the back. You've got these little, and it's like a cranberry red or something like that. And then it says Happy Holidays. And you've got this, which doesn't have to be Christmas at all, but obviously it's in this Christmas section. And then you have this pattern. Love this wood grain. And then you have that. And then you have 2 scenes again. So you have your little gnome here. And the fun thing about this is that you pretty much, if you don't really want to do anything, you pretty much can just go plop and it's done on a 6x6. And then this is what's on the back. So you have you still have 4 of those. And then you have this scene, which is so cute with the little door. And then on the back, you have this. I love this ombre effect that's on here. That is so gorgeous. So that is your Gnome, Sweet Gnome colorway. What? Don't you love it? Yes. Then you have this Gnome stamp set. So you've got him in the little cup with little hats and cups and so forth. So that's cute. All right, then the other colorway is it's so cheerful. So let's show you that one. So you have this, and look at that, look at that, look at that. It's gingerbread. So this is more of like your chartreuses and teals and like candy cane stuff, which I love these colors. So look at that. So you got the little house. You got a smaller version. You have some chains, like those little paper chains. There's some done like that. So cute, so cute. Here's a different field of looking at the house, and there's that one. got your two little cups. And look, they look like marshmallows. And then they're in different sizes. So that's cute. And I think there's 3 of them. Looks like, no, there's just 2. All right, then you have this. Another size. Smaller. Adorable. So, of course, you know, that means you need a paper pad to match. So, what does it look? What does it look like? Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh my gosh. You know when I'm excited about something. So check it out. And let me get it out for you. Gingerbread Kisses. Look at that. Okay, so you've got 6x6, 24 sheets, 2 of each, or 4 of each one. So you've got that, which would be fun to like fussy cut some of these out too. This one, and then on the back you have this solid. You've got this one where they're lined up in their cup. And it's got the stripe, and I don't know what it is. I love this two-tone green. Then you have this one where the cups are just willy-nilly. And then on the back, your zigzag. The cute little bows. And it's kind of funny because it depends on what way you're looking at it. And one way the bows stand out, and then another time you look at it and the gingerbread stand out. Some of those like optical illusion ones. But polka dots. You always know I love a good polka dot. Then you've got this again, but in your blues. And then you have this one with the chains. How precious is that, you guys? Oh, it's just absolutely fabulous, darling. Fabulous. Love it. So there's that one. And then there's 2 more stamp sets. So there's actually 3 stamp sets in this kit. So first, you get this one, and you hit this little ornament. And then you have 2 circles that you could put inside the ornament. They should fit. It looks like they would fit in there. And then different words. So you've got, this one says jingle all the way, because it's a little hard to read the jingle. I love that it has Jesus in there because there's so few religiously based sentiments. And then you have Mary, Love, Snow, Bright, and Cheers. Then you have the gingerbread. Oh, see, have a sweet Christmas. And what's cool about this is because these are like your blacked out letters instead of like hollow, whatever you stamp this in. So you could stamp it in red or stamp it in black, and you have the stuff filled in instead of just the words. You can also use, if you have like Tombow markers, there's another brand, I can't think of it, that you could color each one of these with your marker, and then when you stamp it at one time, you would have different ones in the same thing, and it's like really cool. I love the stitch gingerbread. Okay, so those are the last 2. So it's a fabulous kit once again. And so definitely go check out the shop. They have where you can buy a one-off. You can also get a subscription and, you know, just have fun. See you guys later. Oh, and don't forget, they're now having a stamp and die of the month set. So go check all that out on the Not Too Shabby shop. All right, thank you guys for watching. I shall see you guys later. Be safe.